Assalamualaikum and good morning to all. I am Shuhaila binti Hidal. Today, I would like to talk on how the internet can be used for education. The internet is a global network connecting millions of computers. More than 100 countries are linked into exchange of data, news and opinions. In this new era, there is no doubt that the internet helps make our life easier by providing all the information a person would need in their daily life. Throughout years, the internet changed our life enormously, especially in the field of education. Today, the internet has large numbers of students living worldwide to their homework and job. As uncounted numbers of books and journals are available on the internet, students nowadays have an easy access to this journal and textbook at any time and anywhere as long as there is internet connection. There is no need to buy many new books, as they can search for any books that they want and download its or its content. This will to save cost and time because most of the material are available for free or with a very minimal charge. The internet is also a channel through which students can interact, share problems and find solutions. By using social media network, for example, they can interact with their friends and even teachers about class-related subjects. These are possible for the function allow us to share about anything from views and opinions, tips, tricks, pictures, videos, and even projects. The internet is not only useful to students alone, but also teachers as well. By using a blog or website, the teacher can share lesson notes, assignment or homework on their blog. Therefore, if a student is absent or misses a certain lesson, he or she can be able to know what was taught through the teacher's blog on today's assignment and lesson, and if they have a question or problem, they can ask through the same forum. For instance, in Malaysia, a platform for virtual learning VLE Frog and built by the Ministry of Education. Frog VLE lets teachers create their own lesson and draw upon contents from the widget store as well as the work of general contents and educational contents from Google. Teachers can issue homework and assignment to students online, keep track of their works, mark their works, and also view each student profile to see which areas they are strong or weak in and to intervene where necessary. They can also communicate with students directly and reply to their questions. Even an online courses is a longer considered as something alien now. Various universities around the world offer variety of courses without the need for students to attend classes. Students can interact with the lecturer without time constraint from around the world. For parents, various resources are available from the internet to help them educate their children. Parents would not have to rely on teachers solely, as they can teach their children at their willingness. In addition, through some system and website built by the ministry, such as SAPS or APDM, parents are able to monitor their children perform in school or even check on the present of their children at school. These are some ways on how the internet can be used for education. However, we have to bear in mind that there are always the disadvantage of using the internet if it is not used in a proper way. A great supervision is required, especially if it is involving the young. At the end of the day, it is up to the individual whether to use it for their own good or not. That's all from me. Thank you. Wassalam.